Dear Aunt Flo, it has been 114 years since we said our goodbyes. An immense surge of changes has washed over the field of healthcare and nursing, turning it into a maze of emotional turmoil, physical exertion, and psychological challenges. Traversing this maze every day are your nieces and nephews, the unsung heroes of healthcare, their resilience and grace unyielding. But that, Aunt Flo, was a different time. I can still feel the weight of my graduation cap and gown. Excitement filled the air as I took an oath, pledging to uphold the sacredness of our profession, to steer clear from harmful practices and substances, and to guard the trust and confidentiality that accompany our occupational duties. I vowed to stand strong as a steadfast support for the doctors and to commit myself to the well-being of the patients under my care. Yet, dark clouds seem to have gathered over the sanctity and trust of our profession. We are going through hell on Earth, Aunt Flo. The noble profession you cherished and built has transformed into a war zone every day. We are forever in combat for acknowledgement, fair pay, and our own safety, health, and well-being. As I hurriedly jot this letter during a quick, stolen lunch break, the weight of it all weighs heavily on me. The higher-ups, administrators, dons, and aidons appear oblivious to our battles. The grueling work hours, the scarce breaks, the short staff culture, and the hostility we often encounter from patients and their family members is uncanny. Despite the odds, I promise to keep you informed, Aunt Flo. I have spread the word that you're here and you will give a listening ear to those who like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. I have encouraged them to share their stories with you, both the bitter and the sweet. For now, I must put down my pen because the director of nursing is watching me. He keeps looking over his glasses with his mouth tightly clenched, so I will write again soon. As I look at the clock on the wall, I am reminded that I still have 2 more hours to go. So bye-bye for now, my dear Aunt Flo. With love, Penny.